Good evening, good afternoon, wherever you at. It's Johnny, man. I'm still working on this car, man. I started without y'all. I've gotten the battery. I've gotten my jump starter. I'm ready to just. I want to see if it starts, for one, just cause, and also cause it sounds cool. I like engines. Yeah, but I'm still trying to move the seat forward a little bit so I can get to the bolts. And a thought just came to mind is that you could, instead of using a wrench, no, you couldn't have done that because I needed the torque. Uh, Anywho, let's make it do what it do. Alright, so I'm not gonna bullshit. So for about a good like 25 minutes, I've been as you can tell, got a whole lot of room for activities up in here. But what I've been so stuck up on is I've been trying to. I've been in the cliche of getting a big thing through a little hole. So this hole right here, it won't go in here. So I've been thinking if that's not the right end, then we have to go to the other end. All right. So I came to the other end, and I found this. Now this is a little tricky. You're gonna want to slide down. You're gonna want to like pull down, so you get enough leverage. Until you get, until you get enough room to get a star in there. I believe this is a T50. All right, for one, you have your seatbelt monitor. You have your seatbelt light switch. It's connected to right here. It's connected to this piece. It'll go a little something like this. And it'll be right there connected to that. Then my best bet is that these are the motors for the seat positioning system. And then got this switch right here. This is probably for the light under here. Hey, careful with my fucking door. So that's what it do. Probably wouldn't suggest sitting on it because you could bend the hinge and it won't fit in the car properly. But I got it on carpet. Doesn't make it better, but hey, you got it. How you take a seat out of a Lincoln Town car? Piece of cake.